In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto-Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto-rotation is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down just a bit and access Display. After that, scroll down again and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!